Good, wonderful morning, everybody. We're at the motocross track. There's the finish line. It goes all the way up the hill. And they're getting prepared for the weekend, it looks like. On the long leads, but she's still pulling. P-plate idiot. It says no animals allowed, but except for kangaroos and bush turkeys. That guy in that truck is having a lot of fun. He's still spinning his wheels along the top there of the range. Might be getting new tyres. There's a lot of walkers that come down here, and he's flying around this corner sideways. He almost lost it. Oh, Takani. That's okay. Oh, there was a car behind me. There was a car up the top of the road. Not down here. Bush turkey. It is, sweetie. Bush turkey. She says, I haven't had my breakfast yet. I'll go for some turkey. Could you? Yeah. And of course I've got my camera out. This is actually a public road. It's not a private road, so... But unfortunately, in Queensland, I think it's for most of Australia, if you record anything on a private camera, it's you can't use it for prosecution. So anything on dash cameras and things like that, you can't use it for prosecution. So the police can't use it. Unlike the UK where they can. Birdies. Doggy doo-doo. So that's what I say, there are a lot of people that walk down here, take their dogs and just go for a walk. It's off the beaten track. There's only like 3 or 4 houses down here, and that's it. 4 houses down this road. This is called Eco Valley Way. It was called that because there's a environmental group bought a big block of land here and set up a detox, I guess, resort. Detox from life. And it's still here. It's right down the end. And this road used to connect onto another main street, but it got washed away, and it's just so steep that the government never put it back. And they just blocked it off, put big sandstone blocks. Yes, this is very steep. Well, quite steep and slippery. And yes, well, I have got the long leads today. Thought about taking the short one, but this one gives her more chance of sniffing, especially if she sees a kangaroo or something. Well, we'll just continue our walk. If we see a kangaroo, I'll try and record it. You already got to see a bush turkey. See what else is around. See everyone.